Right now we're gonna unpackage this heavy equipment seat cover. I'm gonna open this up and show you what you're gonna get. You're gonna get an install guide. This is important. Take a look at it. Then you're going to get a seat back cover. This one has got some sweet custom embroidery on it, but standard, they just come plain. You're going to get a seat bottom cover. Finally, a headrest cover. So those three pieces are what you're gonna get in your package. Once you get your covers installed, this is what you're gonna be looking at. You can see they fit the seat really, really well because the seat cover is designed specifically for this seat. This material is almost indestructible, so that way you saw how the seat was worn before. Not gonna happen here. It's also waterproof, so that when you hit a bump and spill whatever you're drinking, it's gonna roll off onto the floor instead of soaking into the seat. This epic custom embroidery, anybody can get their logo embroidered on their covers right from the factory. They're made in the USA and have got a lifetime warranty. So if you break it, it's covered under warranty.